Hey guys, Sean over at Jaguar Power Sports here in Jacksonville, Florida, and right behind me we have the all-new Dominator 800cc 4x4 UTV. Now this bad boy is a 5-seater. We're going to go through all the specifications, add-ons, features, because this is something that you want to make sure that you don't miss. Now this is the 800cc. This also comes in a 1000cc. It is liquid cooled. You get a remote winch that is right here. It's a pretty awesome winch system. You have a remote system and it is liquid cooled. Now with this, it is the long travel 5-seater. So what that means is you're gonna get a lift kit that's already installed from the factory. So this is gonna be a 20-inch rim. You get upgraded rims and tires, and then you go from a 13-inch lift to almost a 20-inch lift. And you're gonna see, I'm about 6'1". You're gonna see how much room that is there. And you do get the upgraded bucket seats in this model. Now, we're gonna do a quick little walk around, and we're gonna come around this side and I'm gonna show you how much leg room I have. Now I am 6'1", and for anyone that is just joining us for the first time, these units are absolutely stellar. A lot of these frames, chassis, and motors are actually built for some of the big names, and these are fully loaded kits, so you don't have to worry about being nickel and dimed for everything. Everything is included, so from windshields to winches to upgrade systems to heated seats, that comes all standard on this all-new Dominator 800cc 5-seater model. So I'm 6'1". You're going to see how much leg room I have here. You got a 4-wheel drive system. You got a light bar on the top, and then there's just a lot of room. You get a good display, and then in here you have lots of storage. Now you got a remote winch here. You get keys and locks, and you get heated seats. This is actually an option that is included on all of our models for the 800cc long travels. So you get buttons right here. So if you're having the cold weather, you get nice and cold. You get some heated seats. You get a bunch of outlets. You get for your winch. You get charging ports. You get 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. You get a horn. You get your switch for the switch to the 4-wheel drive. You get your tilt, and these things are absolutely insane. So we're gonna go to the back here. Now, as mentioned, it is a 5-seater. So you're gonna see the grab handle bar in the back. I have about 2 inches. My seat was all the way back in the front. I got about 2 inches in the back. I have a lot of headroom right here. So, 6'3", 6'4", you'll have no problem. You have the seat belts for all passengers, but you can fit 5 people comfortably on this. Some states you can do this street legal, some states you can't. So you wanna make sure you check with your local municipalities, but some states you can actually ride this on the road, and it can be considered a low-speed vehicle. You get the light up front and up back, and then you get the electric lift dump bed in the back. So this is all standard. On some of the name brands, this is upwards of $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 extra. This is all included in this Dominator long travel. Now, as I mentioned, some of these motors and some of these chassis are actually used on Kawasaki, Hondas, Polarises. There's a lot of these manufacturers that are actually producing for the big names. Why? Because they're proven, they are great quality, parts are very easy to come by. Everything is located here in Jacksonville, Florida, but this is a national manufacturer, so you can get parts nationwide, you can get service nationwide, and this unit right here is about $15,000 less than any name brand with all the options, and that's all included. This bad boy is fast, it's efficient, it is strong, it's 4-wheel drive. You'll see the back hitch, you'll see the gorgeous rims, and this 800cc, like I said, is available also in a 1000cc. It is a 5-seater. No matter if you're looking for 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, 2-passenger, all the way to 5-passenger, here in Jaguar Power Sports, we do have all utility vehicles that can help fit your needs. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below. Make sure you like and subscribe our video. For more information, please check our website, jaguarpowersports.com, or give us a call at 904-693-1663. But this model is exclusive right now. We have just dropped our prices. It has just arrived as well. We have about 3 to 5 in stock right now, so if you have any questions, please give us a call. But this long travel, raised, lifted, all-inclusive 800cc Dominator is here. If you have any questions, please let us know. My name is Sean over at Jaguar Power Sports. Thank you, and subscribe to our next video.